publicly accessible IT systems, such as your company website, web shops, online customer portals, or cloud applications used by employees, are exposed to potential attacks around the clock. But where are the greatest risks, and how can you stay on top of possible vulnerabilities? Built on the external attack surface management methodology, Offensity quickly uncovers your IT weaknesses by continuously monitoring your external attack surface. With just a few clicks, you specify which domains and subdomains to scan. Offensity automatically detects open or commonly targeted ports, outdated software, accidentally exposed services, and vulnerable web applications. In the intuitive dashboard, you'll see all discovered security gaps at a glance, along with concrete recommendations for remediation. Moreover, our managed service supports you throughout the entire process, from the initial setup through regular review sessions to the prioritization and planning of your countermeasures. Our security experts explain the identified vulnerabilities, help you set priorities, and ensure you maintain a clear overview. This allows you to focus fully on your core business, while our experts keep a close eye on your security. If you use external systems and want to reliably protect them, Offensity is the ideal solution. Get started now and leave no gap undetected.